Hey there, document dynamos. In today's tutorial, we're exploring how to customize page sizes in Google Docs. Whether you're prepping for print or adjusting for aesthetics, we've got you covered. Let's resize. 1. Access Page Setup. Click on File in the top menu, scroll down and select Page Setup. 2. Set Custom Page Size. In the Page Setup dialog, enter your desired dimensions for the page width and height. You can choose from standard sizes or enter custom measurements. 3. Apply and save. Click OK to apply the new page size. To make this the default for new documents, click Set as Default before clicking OK. That's all it takes to give your documents the perfect dimensions. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more document design tips.